In this video, I'm going to show you how to do a magic ring or magic circle. Coming up next. Hi, I'm Diette and welcome to Turtle Creativity, where we make crafting and crocheting easy. Today, I'm really excited to share with you a tutorial on how to create a magic ring or magic loop or magic circle. This is a wonderful technique to learn if you are creating a project that requires you to create a ring or circle in the beginning of your pattern. When you do this and close up your ring, it will close it tight with no spaces in between. So for this tutorial, you will need some yarn, of course. I'll be using Red Heart Super Saver for this tutorial. I also will be using a size 8mm hook. I'm going to roll up my sleeves and let's get crocheting now. So when I'm creating the magic circle, what I do is I take my hand and I place it face up. Then I take my yarn and I lay it across my fingers. I move my thumb down to where my ring finger is. And I hold my yarn right where my ring finger is. Taking the yarn, I then wrap the yarn behind my 3 fingers and in between where my ring finger and pinky is. The next thing that I do is I take my yarn and I wrap it up over the yarn that I'm holding to create an X. The next thing that I do is wrap my yarn behind my 3 fingers and bring the yarn through where my ring finger and pinky is. I've now created an X over my 3 fingers. The next thing that I will do is flip my hand over. I now have 2 straight lines. I'm going to call this line 1 and I'm going to call this line 2. What I'm going to do is grab my crochet hook and go up under line 2 and pull line 1 through underneath of line 2 and twist up my hook. I've created a loop onto my crochet hook. Now I'm going to place my crochet hook up under line 1 and now I have 2 loops onto my hook. I'm going to pull through the first loop and now I have 1 loop left onto my crochet hook. I'm going to pinch this loop and slowly take my 3 fingers from that circle. Okay? What I've now created is a loop or a circle or a ring. Now where the magic begins is this tail right here. Because as you pull on it, this circle or ring or loop or however you want to refer it to will get smaller. Okay? So let's go ahead and put a couple of stitches inside the ring so you can fully see its magic happen. Okay. I'm just going to do one more. Okay. Now for the magic to begin, I'm going to take my tail and I'm just going to pull. And now it's closed that circle up. And what I can do is go ahead and slip stitch in the top loop, pulling down on this tail again, it closes it tight. And that's the magic of a magic loop, a magic ring, or a magic circle, is that there is no space, no hole, no gap in the beginning, in that middle of that circle. See there? And there's your magic ring. Well, I hope this tutorial was helpful for you in learning how to do this magic loop that will close up your space tight. I'll see you in the next one, and subscribe for more.